Sad.
What's sad?
Sad.
What's sad? Do I want to know?
I thought the chain would have a split link in it.
Right.
It doesn't.
Oh, so you can't put the chain on?
Well, I can.
How do you get a split link though? Because then you can't take it apart, so you're going to have to take things off to weave it round the cogs, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, that is sad for you. Because that 5-minute job's just got longer.
Swing arm's got to come out.
No. Oh no, because that's all the way under there.
Mm-hmm.
No, we can't do that. There must be another way. I think you just need to tip and go, like have confidence.
I don't think that is what we're doing.
There you go. I do love how I've been riding for 2 whole months now and it's not cost me a bean in fuel.
That's 5 litres in a Triumph, which means it barely touches the sides. Go for you. These people see some of you in the video.
It's my hand. Still here.
That you've proven it's you. It's not AI, Emily. What are we saying?
Oh, open the door.
Why? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's not too bad actually. I like the sound with them exhausts.
It is MOT day for Jules' Bonneville. We've got the bike together, it's running fine. I've done a plug check. It's got its new air filter, full service. We're going to head off to Aids at Hurley Motorcycles. Now, last time I was down there, if you remember from the video when Freddie came to visit, it didn't exactly go very well because of the tail light. I've been out, I've checked all the lights are working, it starts, it runs, selects gear. So let's get over see Aid and hopefully we'll come home with an MOT. Another one through. We have an MOT. We're going to see Emily. Give her the good news. It was worth all the work. You know what would help? Helps if you turn the fuel on, Joe. One back on the road. Few little finishing up bits to do. Like I say, we're going to do another overcheck and make sure them carbs are 100%. And we're also just going to go over a few cleaning bits, a few trinkety little details. The rubbers that mount the headlight brackets need neatening up, and just little bits, bar ends, that sort of stuff. Give it a good clean and polish, and then we need to somehow, some way, arrange, and I really don't want to just ship it back. I think we need to get this bike back to Jules in some really cool fashion. Dark. We've eaten, which was lovely.
Nice, wasn't it?
Cooked for us.
Very nice.
A nice chicken curry, and now we are warmed up-ish. We're off choke, and we're going to try. This is Darren, by the way. Most people will know Darren.
Hello.
But yeah, try and see how far out we are per cylinder.
Hopefully not far.
What do you reckon?
It seems all right, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't think it's going to be far out.
I say it's pulling well enough out on the road. We're doing like 48 to the gallon. I think I worked it out at, so.
It's doing well.
Not bad.
Can't be far out, can it?
Have a look. Let's see if it starts without the choke. Can you be any closer?
That's pretty good, isn't it? Light on that. Let's see. I don't think there's a lot wrong with that, is there?
I think we're going to mess with it, are we?
No.
Well, I hope it wasn't a wasted trip for you.
No, it's...
But that's a good confidence builder.
I mean, it's good to know, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't think it's worth messing about with that.